Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first. What's up, Cryptoblades warriors? Welcome back to my channel. JaysonB channel here to serve you and give you some tips and tricks. In this episode we will change our character element and we will dust our swords and we will upgrade our 4-star weapon. How much will we spend on skill and BNB? While we wait for the CBK update, let's strengthen our characters and weapons first. But changing the character element doesn't really strengthen the character, but it's just good in combat. You don't KC, you have to change weapons every time. If you see, my character elements are different. I have a lightning, a water, a earth, and fire. What I will do now is I will buy a lightning character potion to make all lightning characters. The value of a potion is 0.2 skill, so if we buy 3 it costs 0.6 skill total. I will use. That's cheap. The gas fee I paid was only 6.78 pesos. That's cheap. It's better to look at them, and it's easy to use in combat. You don't have to exchange weapons. What will I do with my weapons? And I will dust all the earth, fire, water weapons, then I will upgrade my 4-star weapon using the dust I can get. Then just choose the weapon you want to dust so you can upgrade to the weapons you want. What I paid for the weapons was 0.0189 skill on 3 weapons. Then I got 30 lesser on weapons, which is a 1 with 2-star and 2 and 3-star weapons. I will upgraded my 4-star lightning to weapons using this 30 lesser. The stats of my lightning weapon LB, 3100 plus 45 bonus power. Let's see how many will increase the power of my weapons when we use the 30 lesser. My LB has increased and so has bonus power. Before we only had 100 pounds of 45 bonus power before we applied the 30 lesser. I hope this video tutorials helped you. If you want more like this video content, subscribe to my channel, just click the bell all, so that when I have a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget like and share this video. To change your